Next, find the value of tan 19 pi by 3. So, remember the clue. Pi by 3. What is tan pi by 3 in 9th standard? Now, pi by 3 is new in 11th, but you have already studied pi by 3 means 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3. So, tan 19 pi by 3 will be either root 3 or minus root 3. Let us see in which quadrant. Tan 19 pi by 3 equal to, which is the nearest multiple of 19? 18. Tan 18 pi plus pi by 3, that is tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. Where is 6 pi? Which quadrant? 6 pi plus mean which quadrant? Listen to me. This will be 2 pi, 4 pi and 6 pi. So, 6 pi plus theta is in the 6 pi plus theta is in the first quadrant. So, this is equal to tan 6 pi plus theta is equal to tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is equal to what? Root 3. Good. Similarly, you can find for anything. Go for the next one. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. So, LHS equal to, I can rearrange this one, 4x, 3x, if you add it, it will be 7x. We have studied certain formulas. Sin plus sin equal to 2 sin cos. Sin C plus sin D is equal to what? 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Keep in mind. Sin C minus sin D, 2 cos sin. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos cos. Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin sin, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So, you see, if I combine 4x and 2x, I will rearrange the LHS is equal to cos 4x plus cos 3x, instead of cos 3x, I will combine cos 2x plus cos 3x by, same way, sin 4x and sin 2x I can combine. Sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Now, let us see what is cos plus cos. 2 cos cos. So, I can rewrite this as 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2. You can directly write the answer, no need to write this step if you are already thorough with this one, plus cos 3x plus cos 3x by, what is sin plus sin? Sin plus sin is 2 sin cos, that is 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus sin 3x. Sin 3x. Now, 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x by 2 is what? 3x. So, this will be 2 cos 3x into cos 4x minus 2x is 2x by 2 is x plus cos 3x by sin 4x plus 2x is 6x, 2 sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. Now, in numerator and denominator, we have something common. What is that? Cos 3x common. So, I took cos 3x common. Cos 3x into 2 cos x plus 1 by Sin 3x into 2 cos x plus 1. Cancel, cancel. So, what is cos 3x by sin 3x? Cot 3x equal to RHS. So, this is the important set of formulas. I told you in the very beginning, those who are not by hearted the formula, it will be a waste of your time. Sin plus sin, sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. And in case, if it is you studied in the class, maybe sin x plus sin y, 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Cos x plus cos y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So, hope it is clear. We just applied the formula and I cancel the numerator and denominator. We got cot 3x equal to RHS. Move the next question, the 7th question. Same way, same set of formulas, nothing to do. I will not be writing the complete detailed steps. See here, I can write sin x plus sin 2 LHS is equal to, what is sin plus sin? 2 sin c plus d. What is c plus d? 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? 12. 12 by 2 means what? 6x. Into cos 7x minus 5x, 2x by 2 into cos x, plus again sin plus sin, 2 sin 9x plus 3x, 12x by 2, 6x. Into cos 9x minus 3x, 6x by 2, 3x by cos plus cos. What is 2 cos? 2 cos 7x plus 5x, 12x by 2, 6x into cos 7x minus 5x, 2x by 2, x, plus again 2 cos 9x plus 3x, 12x by 2, 6x into cos again 9x minus 3x, 6x by 2, 3x. So, one step you can skip, or if you want you can write that step. In the previous question I have written all the steps. Now, this is equal to, what is common in the numerator? 2 sin 6x into, what is the balance here? Cos x plus cos 3x by, what is common in denominator? 2 cos 6x into cos x plus cos 3x. You know, this 2 you can cancel, 2 you can cancel. Sin by cos is equal to what? Tan 6x. See, equal to RHS. So, the only way to do trigonometric problems are what? Need to by heart the trigonometric result, apply the formulas. If you want to know any steps of, if you want to get any steps, you must know all this result by heart. That is what I insist you to revise the formula again and again till you are comfortable with all that. Let us move to the next question. Do that. It's a reader question, miscellaneous exercise question. So, LHS is equal to, I combine these two, I regroup these two, 5x and x, sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sine 3x by cos 5x minus cos x. Now, again, what is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin cos c minus d by 2. So, this will be 2 sin, I will write the step, 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2 minus 2 sin 3x by, again, cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 minus 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into sin 5x minus x by 2. Now, that is 2 sin 5x plus x is 6x by 2 is 3x into cos 2x minus 2 sin minus 2 sin 3x by minus 2 sin 5x plus x is 6x by 2 is 3x into sin 2x. Now, what you can take common from the numerator? 2 sin 3x, that is 2 sin 3x into cos 2x minus 1 by minus 2 sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. Now, you can cancel these 2 sin 3x and these 2 sin 3x, and this minus is there, it will come in the numerator. That is equal to minus cos 2x minus 1 by sin 2x. Now, there are two ways. Those who studied the formula, minus, if you take inside 1 minus cos 2x, there is a direct formula 2 sin square x. Even if you are not studied, we have different 4 formulas for cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x. So, if I apply that formula here, this is equal to minus 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 1 by sin 2x as a formula. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos x. Now, this one and this one get cancelled, and minus, and if you open the bracket, this will become 2 sin square x by 2 sin x into cos x. 2 get cancelled, 1 sin get cancelled, sin by cos is tan x equal to RHS. Clear? So, which are the formula I used here? Sin c plus sin d, cos c minus cos d, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, and sin 2a is equal to what? 2 sin a cos a. So, if anybody is watching this one without studying the trigonometric result, you can imagine what is your understanding? Nothing. So, again, study the formulas.